Hey, so why again? Why break no more? Why sticking to your values? That one is amazing. I already mentioned it. It's because it's your North Star in times of chaos. Like when everything is just overwhelming and changing all around you all the time, and just again changing and again changing and again changing. You don't know where to sit, you don't know what to do. And right now it's a multi-layered revolution, and you absolutely need those freaking values, because like everything is changing so fast. And because it's changing so fast, you are losing your footing. You don't know on which where to stand. You don't know where to stand. You don't know where to anchor yourself. And if you don't know how to anchor yourself somewhere, then it's like you are just moving one way and then there, and then it's like, Whereas like if you are shielded by your values, it's like, ooh, okay, but I like these values here, so I hang here. I'm like, oh, okay. Woo, it's like it's lots of movement there. Woo, but I have my values here. This is what it provides you, your values. It provides you certainty. And even if everything is in flux, because you have your values here, you're like, I don't care. Yeah, it's moving everywhere. It's still here. This is what your values provide you. It's like it's an abstract and solid thing that you can hang in any type of circumstances. And so it shields you against chaos. And this is a major point. This is one thing, major point. This is one thing that I have been saying in another video. This is like really your safety spot no matter what happens in your life, because the value is something that can be expressed in several ways no matter what happened to you. And it can be expressed in even looking at a lamp, right? I can see discipline and integrity in this lamp, because when it's on, it's always on. When it's off, it's always off. It's disciplined. I'm good. I have a lamp. I'm safe. There is a lamp. There is a lamp. I'm safe. Everything is like, but there is a lamp. Like subconsciously, it doesn't need to be like too rational, right? It's like on, off. It's disciplined. There's the expression, it's myself. There is me. I'm good. Yeah, the building is falling apart. There is a lamp. Okay, let's do this. Up. It's going to fall this way. Let's go. So, in the end of the day, in organizational changes like layoff and uncertainty at work, it helps you. And yeah, you don't seek to I have fun.